All right, y'all, back at it again. I'm gonna go ahead and bust on out with this roof skin. Show you what I did here the other day on the last video. Went on, put the top panel on above the windshield here. Got everything looking good there. That's what we're looking like under everything. There's my roof skin out there. I'm gonna go ahead and drill all these holes real quick out there on the skin. Every 2 to 2 1/4, 2 1/2. I'll probably go about 2 inches and go all the way around with it. Everything's good here. Get in here and check this out. Went on and painted everything right here. I scuffed all this down. Tiger striped it in, as you can see. That's okay. I got 2 good coats of gloss there. Everything's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and flip this panel over and drill that way. I'll put me a 2x4 up under it right here. Use a 1/4 inch bit and get to drilling. A couple of 100 holes. I don't know. We'll find out. Here we go. Alright, after drilling out 99 holes, I counted them, went on and grinded everything, both sides down, get all the little rough edges off of it, all the way down so it's good and smooth. Shot a little bit of weld through primer around it, all the way. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do here. This would be like the roof skin. Let's see where I'm at. This would be like the roof skin right here where I got this hole drilled at. When I put it on the cab, I'll go ahead and clamp it down like that number. And I got this straight bit, I think they call it right here. Where are we at? I think that's called a straight bit. I'll go through there and drill out. Get enough bite down in there, as you can see, right there. And that's where I'll start my weld down in there and come on up and get going with it. So here we go. All right, got the panel in place, clamped up. Well, these step sides are a lot easier getting in and out of than a fleet, I tell you that. Got it clamped up, everything's fitting in good all the way around. I picked these clamps up there at the harbor joint up there, about as big as your hand. Put them little pieces on the end of it. I had quite a few of them laying around. But that works out real good there. I done drilled one in right here. See if I can get another one here. That's what I'll do to it right there. They give me a little bite to go around with the weld, and I'll do that all the way around on each one of them. I'll start right here in the center and work my way out on both sides. Catch a few, then I'll do the front the same way. Catch a few, then come down these sides. Start welding. Let's get on with it. Alright, I took a break last night, so I'm back at it again this evening. That's what we're looking like up here. Have to get everything welded in. There I am. Grind it down. Still got to fill a few places in after grinding right there. See a hole there, one there, so I had a spot of weld in some of them places. There it is. That's what we're looking at. Looking real good. What I did here on the bottom. Went on and sanded down right here because a lot of it was penetrating through on me. Kind of like that right there where it bubbled down. So I went on and smoothed that on out. That bad boy right there. Well, a few of them I had to grind down with a little grinder. But I got it all smoothed out pretty close. I still got to do some work here and there. But I'm not done yet. So what I'm going to do now, go ahead, catch a few on the side, each side right here, then do the front, go both ways on that, and keep on keeping on. Here we go. Alright, here's what some of these welds look like when I go to welding. Still got to grind them down. And then when I grind them down, I'll just, I'm leaving a little hump on. I'm not going flush. Kind of leaving a little hump, then I'll just keep my grinder going all the way down. So when I get my seam sealer up here. Everything will stick to it real good. Alright, I still got to get on the front. Got a few already, so got to finish up and come on around. Alright, after getting everything welded up, grinded down, pretty good for now. Still got some work to do to it. All the way around, looking good. There's a few more little pin holes I noticed, like this one right here. I'll go ahead and tack that. And out of these 99 holes that I drilled, I ended up putting one dead center of that where this break comes in, the seam. So I'll end up putting another one on each side, on both sides. So yeah, that'd be like 103, I guess. And what I'll end up doing, go ahead and put some of this short strand fiberglass right here, all down inside, real good. Smooth it all in to catch what pin holes I didn't get. Smooth all that in real good and sand it down. Then go ahead and sand the top down and spray some epoxy on it. Then we'll go from there. If I decide to use seam sealer or filler or whatever, I can figure that out later. I'm going to leave it at that. Catch y'all on the next one. Take it easy.